My check engine light came on, and these are the codes that popped up on my code reader. So let's get to it, see what the problem is. So we had a check engine light pop up, and it was P0171 and P0174, and another one that said the gas cap was on, or open, sorry. But obviously it's not. I checked the gas cap, everything was good. I looked online what it could have been, and they said it was the purge valve. The purge valve, the easiest place to get it, it's located at, for you to have access at, is through here. So obviously these got latched from the bottom and the top, and one on that side and one on that side, obviously. Total of 4. You want to unlock it, you unlock this one, and then you unlock the one on the other side as well, of course, obviously. From there, you have access to pulling this out. Once you pull it out, there's the purge valve. That is the purge valve right there. So that's the purge valve. So you give yourself access to this, and then the best way to check the purge valve if it's not closing correctly and it's staying on is by removing this one right here. I already removed the clip, but you just push the clip up and it pulls out. You remove the clip, you take the line off, you turn on the vehicle, and then you leave it on idle. Once it's on idle, you grab your finger and then you see if you can feel a suction. It's very faint, but there was suction on it, meaning the purge valve is not closing, it's remaining open, and it's sucking in air, causing the lean codes in bank 1 and bank 2, and the gas cap thing saying it's open. Those codes is causing the codes in the check engine light. So I'm gonna replace this valve, purge valve, and it should erase the codes. So in case anybody's having the same issue or the same codes on a 2008 Econoline Ford van, E350, you might want to check this easy fix before anything else. Especially if you have those 3 codes, it's most likely going to be the purge valve. So let's replace this. The easiest way to get this out of your way is by pulling it back and lifting it out. Oh yeah, just like that. I did it with one hand and the phone on my hand, so you should be able to do it pretty easy, no problem. And move this out of the way. It's easier when you pop these off. Honestly, you just pop them off like nothing. It's just how these little tabs. Just pop them off on both sides, so it makes your job easier. And move this out of the way. I can leave it right there because it doesn't get in my way, so we'll leave it there. Once you move that out of the way, you have access to the whole transmission and the engine. Look at this fucking beautiful thing. But, yup, fuck, this is a big old bad boy. Now, we can easily remove this, and it looks like it's only held by one screw, or no, wait, actually, oh, it looks like you just slide it out, honestly. It's not even held by any screws. So we might just slide that out. That's gonna be Gucci. So let's take this clip off. This is already out, and yeah, let's do that. The 2 clips that hold the pipe down were old and brittle, so they broke. The black one was easier to take off, which was the biggest, but that smaller white one broke in 3 pieces, and the 2 end pieces that hold the pipe were stuck in there. So I had to use tiny little pliers to pry it out. It sucked. It kind of broke. They're old as well, so they broke pretty easy, but I just got new ones to replace it. And some have screws, but this one just has a little latch. You press it and you pull it, and it's good to go. So the new part just got here. This is the new part, and as you can tell, they look the same. So it's gonna be pretty easy to replace it. Not bad, right? And then from there, we got new little clips, obviously, because those are the old ones ripped. Pretty old and pretty flimsy and easy to rip out. This one came out pretty good at first, but then I went back in. But the smaller one, the white one, that went to this hose was pretty old and messed up. That broke really easy. But let's throw this back in there, and yeah, hopefully the codes go away after this. There's a specific little slot that you slide this purge valve from the back, so you gotta make sure you just slide it in right, because it could come out of the little slot. That's what happened to me. But once you have that in, slid in all nice and tight and snug, and you hear the clip in, you're ready to install the two hoses and the electrical component that goes at the top, which is pretty easy. You just slide everything in, and then from there you put in the little clips that hold the pipe from sliding out. We made 2008 E350 Ford Econoline. Pretty cool and easy. So that's about it. Let's turn it on and see what happens. Right now we're going to turn the vehicle on and leave it idling for a little bit, and then we're going to check the new purge valve to make sure it works. It's really important to do this in case you get a faulty part, and you can also confirm how good purge valve should feel compared to the bad one. Make sure the valve is closing, and I feel no suction whatsoever. So hopefully that solved the issue. If it didn't, then that's gonna suck. It might be something else, but we'll see what happens. I pray that's it. All right, now it's time to put this back on there. It should be no problem. It should be pretty easy too. So let's do this. Let's put this back down there. Let's close it up. There we go. And we'll just push it from the bottom, from the top, all the way to the end. So let's put that one in this little spot. Boom. Now let's put this one in this little spot as well. It hooks in there. Boom. And this one as well has a little hook at the bottom, which I have like a peanut in the way. There we go, just like that. And it hooks at the bottom. As you can see, it has a little hook. It goes all the way down, and booyah. And that's it. Pretty easy, honestly. And then this one obviously goes right here. And it put it in the little brackets, everything, and you just push. And that's it. Plain and simple, easy. Now, let's do this one as well. So it goes like that. Then up with the little prongs at the bottom. As you can see, it has the things where you hook it up, there and there. So you push it in there. Booyah. There you go. Pretty easy. And that's it. And we are done. So if you guys ever have those codes, that might be it. I gotta drive the vehicle and find out and see. But for now, that's it.